Hi viewers, today I'm going to do an unboxing and quick overview of Blink Mini 2 camera. This is the new version. This is currently on sale in almost all the big retail shops for $19. This is upgraded one with HD view both on day and night. This can be used for indoor as well as outdoor. It is weatherproof and it is a wired one. It needs a power connection to a wall outlet. There is no battery in this, and it is also having a LED spotlight. If you see, there is a light there. And let's see what we have inside. So you got the camera. This is the mounting screw, and you got the USB-C cable. And the power adapter along with the manual. To set up, all you have to do is you need to download the Blink app on your mobile. Scan this QR code to add this device to your app. I already have downloaded it because I'm already having a Blink door camera. I have configured this in my Blink app. So if you see, this is my new one. I already have a main door one, and I do have I'll put it as a hall one. It is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is click on the plus button and choose what type of camera you're going to add, and then you just need to scan the QR code. So if you see here, it's already registered for me. So if it is not, it will show you the steps how you have to add it. So once you scan the QR code, all you need to do is connect the power cable to here and wait for this. There will be a red light will be blinking. After that, it will ask you to add it to your sync model, Blink sync model, or a sync module. Once that is done, it will ask for your Wi-Fi password. You put in the password and it will automatically configure that new camera into your mobile Blink app. So what Blink is saying is this is way better than the previous model. For the night vision, you can see the night view in color or in black. So I connected this camera to power outlet. I'm in my app. Now you can see it is showing the window. You see here. So I'm just waving my hand around. So for $20, this Blink indoor or outdoor camera is a best option with night vision also. This is in a HD format, you can see it. If you have a sync module, you don't need a subscription for Blink services. You can store all the clips or motion detected clips on your local storage that you can view it from your Blink app. So far I think this is the best bet for me at least. And if you have any questions, please post it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.